a last-minute escalation on your way out.
Today, we show Ukrainians you're not alone.
I think it's the U.S. best interest to get this war finished and just get it done.
Other than to say, don't get it twisted, the Democratic Party now loves war. Joe Biden, our standard bearer, loves war. And we'd like to lose further elections because the American people hate war. But we're the new neocons. So congratulations, Joe Biden, for screwing the Democratic Party and the American voters one more time.
Are you worried about the war?